Today's computers use bit-tiny switches that are either on or off. But what if a switch could be on and off at the same time? Welcome to the weird world of quantum computing, where the rules of reality are rewritten. Quantum computers use qubits. Unlike a regular bit, a qubit can be in a superposition, a mix of 0 and 1. It's like a coin spinning in the air. It's not just heads or tails, but both at once until you look. Now for the really spooky part, entanglement. When qubits are linked, changing one instantly changes the other, no matter how far apart they are. This lets them work together to solve problems in a totally new way. So why is this a big deal? A classic computer is like a person walking through a maze, trying one path at a time. A quantum computer can, in a way, explore all paths at once, finding the solution incredibly fast. This power could help us design new life-saving medicines by simulating molecules perfectly. It could also create new materials to solve climate change tasks that are too complex for any supercomputer today. There's a catch. This power could break the codes that keep our online data safe. But don't worry. Scientists are already working on new, quantum-proof encryption to build a safer internet for the future. Building these machines is incredibly hard. Qubits are super fragile and need to be kept colder than outer space to work. Right now, they're giant scientific instruments, not something you can buy. We're in a global race. Tech giants and countries are competing to build more powerful quantum computers. We're in the early days, like the 1960s of regular computing. This isn't just for physicists. We need computer scientists, programmers, engineers, and even biologists to help. The software and applications for this new technology still need to be invented. Quantum computing is more than a new gadget. It's a fundamental shift in how we process information. It's a tool that will help us solve some of humanity's biggest challenges. If you loved exploring the greatest mysteries of the cosmos, hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing science videos. Stay curious.